Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the greatest woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my view.
I'm installing thick rubber flooring in my wife's new fitness studio. The original baseboard goes all the way to the floor, and rather than ripping out and replacing it, I'm going to undercut it. The hardboard raises the biscuit cutter to the right height and provides an easy surface over which to move it. Depth of cut is set to the thickness of the baseboard, and I've removed the spring return on the biscuit jointer to make it easier to work with. The biscuit jointer can't get to internal corners, and that's where I change over to a multi-tool just to cut the remaining material into the corner. It doesn't take long to tackle each wall, and the paintwork's left in perfect condition, although it's worth just sanding the lower corner to avoid any splinters. Then the underlay can go in, and the flooring, leaving a lovely edge.
Tips from the Hips, the greatest woodworking tips and hips on the internet, in my view.